Mommy. You sound horrible. I'm the only one who can actually. And the screaming goat. I can't do that. To see that? See that? Ow. Hold on. That was a scrape.
Did you take that off?
Yes, I just. Ow. That hurt so much. No. Hold on. You're so bad.
No, I'm not.
You can't do that noises.
So welcome back, guys. We're gonna do it again.
The first one to press the button wins. I will press it.
I did it. No. Yes. I pressed it.
Okay.
That's our daily routine. Afternoon routine. I meant that. That was a short little video. Terrible.
I can't make. I was making a screaming goat noise. Who can make the best screaming goat noise? Comment down below. Such a high pitched voice coming from a man. My arm.
I did this to you once, Quinn. And I actually did this to Quinn. Look at. In your face. In that unbeautiful face.
Ow! Comment down below, people at school. Comment down below, Niall. Do people think I'm weird? Say yes or no.
He is.
Not.
He is.
I'm not.
Yes. He is so weird. He is so
I'm
weird.
not weird. Please say I'm not weird. Niall, please watch this video and comment.
And unsubscribe Jaden.